Hi, in this tutorial video, I'll be showing you courses. A course is a cohesive plan of study in a specific subject, complete with all of the assignments, lesson plans, and attachments needed. This plan can be saved and scheduled for any set of dates or students and as many times as needed. Some examples of courses are Biology, Algebra 1, 7th grade American History, World Geography, etc. You can create a course for 8th grade General Science, for instance, and use it year after year for different students or classrooms. This saves time and effort by enabling you to use the same assignments without the need to recreate them. Your scheduled course assignments will appear on your assignment calendar, and you can move or edit them there just like any other assignment. However, you cannot create a course on the assignment calendar. You need to do this in the Courses section. Courses also enable you to see an overview of your entire plan of study and to remove or move assignments as needed as the school term progresses. And any teacher within your Spark school can use the courses created within that school. To create a course, go to Courses on the left navigation bar and click Add New Course Plan. Enter the name of the course and give it an image if you desire. Click Create Course. You'll enter the course plan. This is where you'll create all of the assignments for your course, and then from here, schedule it to an actual set of students. You'll start by designating the number of weeks and days in your course. You can add or remove weeks at any time, and you don't have to put an assignment on every day. The left column shows each week in your course and the days in each week. You can hover over a day and push the plus symbol to add an assignment to that day. You can also click the three-dot menu next to a week to delete, add, or duplicate that week. The middle column shows a list of all of the assignments you've created in each week. You can add new assignments here by hovering next to the day and clicking Add Assignment. You can add a bunch of assignments at once by clicking the Add Assignment button at the top of the middle column. To add a lot of assignments with the same name, such as History Lesson, type in the name and then select the days of the week that it should appear on and the week range. You can also select how the student should respond or submit this assignment and whether or not you want it to enter a grade book. Click Create and you'll have assignments created on each day. You can also create assignments in bulk with different names using the codes listed here. $index for the assignment number, $week for the week number, and $day for the day number. $index will number the assignments in order starting with 1. For example, if you type History Lesson and then $index, it will create assignments called History Lesson 1, History Lesson 2, History Lesson 3, all the way to the end of your plan. $week will give the assignments a number depending on the week. So for instance, if I type History Week and then $week, it will create assignments called History Week 1, History Week 2, and History Week 3, all the way to the end of my weeks. $day will create assignments with the day number. So for instance, if I type History Day and then $day, it will create assignments called History Day 1, History Day 2, History Day 3, and so on. I can also combine these codes and type something like History Week and then the $week symbol, and day with $day, and it will create assignments called History Week 1, Day 1, History Week 1, Day 2, History Week 2, Day 1, History Week 2, Day 2, and all the way to the end of my schedule. As you can see, I can create more than one assignment on one day, and I can also shift these up or down so they'll appear in a certain order on the student portal. The right column shows an assignment in more detail. Click on an assignment in the middle column to see and edit it. You can designate how a student should submit the assignment, if you want the assignment entered into a grade book. You can add instructions for the student and a lesson plan for the teacher. You can also attach files or links for the student to use in the assignment. Once you have created your assignments, you may wish to edit a lot at once. To do this, select the assignments in the middle column you want to edit. You can select all your assignments by clicking the Select All box, or filter the assignments by a keyword and then selecting those. Once you've selected the assignments you want to edit, click Bulk Edit, and you can change the assignment's name, whether or not you want it to be graded, the student response type, or the instructions. Or you could delete all these assignments at once. In course details, you can enter details about your course for your records or for other teachers to view when using it. When your course plan is complete and you're ready to use it, click Schedule Course from Plan. You'll enter a screen asking you to enter some basic information about the course you're scheduling, such as its classroom, term, subject, and students. If you want a gradebook to be created for this course, select the gradebook it should enter or create a new one. Then select the week below upon which you want the course to begin. And at the bottom of the page, you can rearrange or delete the assignments as needed. You can right-click on an assignment and select it and all future assignments and then shift them to the right or delete them quickly. You can also do this later after you've scheduled the course. Once you have all of this information set up the way you desire, click Create Course. Land in a list of all of the assignments scheduled from this course. You can click into them to edit the details as needed. You can also click on the included text, and then that assignment will be skipped for the student. In the Calendar tab, you can see the course on an assignment calendar and make edits as needed there. In the Manage Dates tab, you can shift or delete assignments, similar to the way I showed you when you were first creating the course. Grades will show you a grade book for the course if you created one, and in Options you can change details about the course. Back on the main course page, you will see a list of all your course plans that you've created and the number of schedules you've created from them. At any time, you can click into the course plan and make changes. These changes will not affect the scheduled courses you've already created. You can also create tags and tag your courses. Then, in the course details section of your course, you can tag it. This enables you to sort and find courses more easily. When you're on the assignment calendar, you can see if an assignment is part of a course with the course icon. Clicking into the course assignment, you can edit the information just like any other assignment, and you can also link to the course it's part of by clicking Go to Course Schedule. If you have any other questions about courses, don't hesitate to contact us. by using the pink question mark at the bottom of the page, or check out our FAQ. You can also schedule a free live demo by going to our main website. Thanks and have a great day.